Today's video is a mix of a little bit of everything. I will have a thrift haul in today's video, which items I purchased, why, and how much I think I can sell them for. And then stick around till later on in the video while I will give you a dose of reseller reality. As a reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook, I receive some of the strangest questions, comments, and open cases. You would not believe the question that I received after I'd shipped the buyer his item. You won't want to miss this, so please stick around and let's get to the thrift haul. And I went to Goodwill on my lunch hour and I picked up these items. There's 12 of them here. The shirts and the jersey were $3.75 each. The jeans were $4.50. And then the software over here and the frames were just $2 each. So I will go through and show you what I picked up and why. We'll start down here at the jeans. These are silver Suki denim jeans for women. They charged me $4.50 for these. Silver is a great brand. I can sell them for at least $30 and upwards closer to $40 with shipping. And the other pair of jeans here is Adriana Goldschmied. I've had success selling them as well. I don't find them very often. These are a lighter wash, kind of a, I don't know if they're skinny or not. I'm gonna have to do some research on that, but they're size 26, $4.50 for that. And back here is a pair of Kuhl, Kuhl. This is an outdoor brand. This is a size 10 long. They're kind of like denim jeans, possibly twill. They charged me $4.50 for those. And these frames back here, they look like they were handmade. They do have chicken wire backing. This aqua blue color is very popular. I may keep these for my own personal home decor use. And if I do, I'll let you guys know where they ended up and what I did with them as far as home decor. They were $2 each. This larger one may need to have the chicken wire replaced as it's quite gappy and uneven. I'm not sure if you can see that in the video. My husband's pretty good at that stuff, so he can replace that chicken wire. For those of you that do not follow me on Instagram, I do like to play a game I call Buy or Pass on my Instagram story, where I ask my followers if they will pick up or pass on an item at the thrift store. Sometimes I agree with them, sometimes I do not. I asked Instagram if they would pick up the frames for $4. The majority of them said pass at 57%, while only 43% said buy. I told you I don't always agree with my Instagram followers. And then down here is Sealed. It's a Sealed Quicken software set for Windows 95. Vintage technology. These are the 3.5-inch floppy disks. They wanted just $2 for this. It was sealed. I ran comps in the store and they sell for about $47. So I'm gonna get this listed and see how it does. I will report back if and when it sells, because vintage technology actually does sell. So again, I asked Instagram, would they pick up or pass on this $2 software? 41% said buy, while 59% said pass. And then down here is an Ariat women's shirt. I paid $3.75 for this. It's kind of semi-sheer with the white pearl snap front. Those sell for at least $25, possibly more. Back there is an AC/DC sweatshirt. Now this is not vintage, however, it was new with the tag. So I did pick it up. It is tagless in the back, that's why I know it's not vintage. But being new with the tag, I think it would make a perfect gift for an AC/DC fan. It is back in black, and I believe on the back it says 2016. So they charged me $3.75 for that. And this hooded open front sweatshirt is Calia, Carrie Underwood's brand. It's a size medium. It is a long sleeved hooded sweatshirt. They charged me $3.75 for that. With everyone into fitness this time of year, I'm gonna get that listed right away and see how it does. And I always have good luck selling jerseys, and this one surprisingly was not marked up at Goodwill, so they charged me $3.75 for this. This is UNLV Running Rebels with the stitched lettering. It is from Coliseum, so I'm going to get this listed. Comps look like they were about $39, so I'm going to price mine high and see what it does. There's not many listed on eBay, so that should be interesting. I pulled Instagram one more time on this UNLV jersey with a pickup or pass for $375, and it's getting even worse. Buy said 38%, majority at 62% said pass. So my Instagram followers and I are not on the same page today, but that's okay. If you'd like to join in on the fun, catch me on Instagram at piece.of.scrap. And down here is a Cobby woman's shirt. Long sleeve V-neck, very loose fitting. The thing I love about Cobby is they have the style number on the inner tag. So I'm gonna look up that style number and figure out exactly what kind of shirt this is. They charge me $375 for that. And then amongst all of the racks, this Patagonia shirt was not on a new rack. I found it on the regular racks. They charged me $375 for that. Patagonia is a great brand. Unfortunately, when I got it home, I did notice a hole in the shoulder. You can see it right there. So I will note that in the description and price it a little lower, just trying to move it. I'm kicking myself for missing that hole. I mean, it was kind of obvious once you've seen it, but Patagonia, I don't find that very often. So when I do, I pick it up, and unfortunately I missed that hole, So again, this was a quick trip during my lunch hour, 12 items. They charged me $42. The frames back there were for my own personal use. I'm gonna get this other stuff listed and see how we do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to find out what sold. All of these items have been added to my online store, so you can find them here. I am on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. I do use a cross-posting tool called List Perfectly. I will upload everything to eBay first, as that requires the most item specifics, and then I will use the fantastic tool called List Perfectly to cross-post the items from eBay to Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook. If you'd like to get more eyes on your items and give List Perfectly a try, I will have my discount code in the description below. It is code MONEY, M-O-N-E-Y, and that will save you 30% off of your first month's subscription. You can cancel at any time, and you are under no obligation. So now I'm going to leave you with a little reseller reality. You will not believe the amount of questions, open cases, odd requests that I get as a reseller on a daily basis. So I'm going to start throwing in a few of those in these YouTube videos. And if you all really like these what would you do segments, please leave a comment below and let me know, and I will make more of these going forward. I'm just testing this out to see if this is something that you all are interested in. But again, as a reseller on a daily basis, I get these oddball requests that I could not make up myself. So here's just one example. As you all know, I will sell just about anything and everything on my various websites. These bed sheets, they were my son's old bed sheets from his dorm room. In the dorm, they require extra long twin size sheets. So I threw these up on Poshmark and they sold for $22 plus shipping. The buyer paid, I shipped them. While the sheets were in transit, I received this question from the buyer. He asked, could these sheets have any chance of a bed bug? Should have thought to ask before. Now keep in mind, the sheets have been shipped. The buyer paid, I shipped the sheets. So yeah, he should have thought to ask before. And would I really sell bed sheets with bed bugs? So I simply responded no. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for him to receive the sheets and leave me a seller rating. He replied, very cautious, is costly to eradicate. So it sounds to me like he's had bed bugs before. I knew the sheets that I mailed did not have bed bugs, but I was still a little nervous until I received his rating, which was a 5-star. I do hope you enjoyed this reseller reality. Like I said, I do get some of the oddest requests and questions and even open cases. If you like this segment, go ahead and leave an emoji of a bug, say an ant, in the comments below. That will tell me that you made it this far and really enjoyed the reality segment, and I will look forward to including those in future videos. We covered a lot today, from the thrift haul to the bypass game to the reseller reality. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and do consider becoming a Piece of Scrap fan and click that subscribe button. I will link another video here. Continue watching.